Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead with a reduce, reuse, recycle project. Okay, so we have, what I got here is I just want to do a quick thing. I am crocheting a huge granny square for the motor coach. And I had bought this yarn to make a sweater for myself, and I never got it done. And apparently, I wasn't working with a pattern either, because this thing can wrap around me almost twice. But because I'm not doing it, I have taken the sweater apart, and as I crochet, I'm just pulling this and reusing the yarn. And I have it stretched out on the piano. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying, waste not, want not. If you have old sweaters that, you know, made of thick, chunky yarn, and maybe they're damaged or whatever, pick them apart. That's good yarn. Take care, God bless.